CISF Constable Fireman Recruitment 2024 11:30 Post Notification and apply online. CISF Constable Fireman Recruitment 2024, the Central Industrial Security Force CISF has released the notification for the recruitment of 11:30 constables firemen. The CISF Constable Fireman Notification 2024 has been released and the online applications will be accepted from the 31st of August to the 30th of September 2024. The eligible candidates can apply online from the website sisfrect.susf.gov.in. The pay scale of the CISF Constable Fireman is Rs. 21,769,100 Level 3. Important dates. The CISF Fireman notification has been released on the 21st of August 2024 and the online applications will be accepted from the 31st of August to the 30th of September 2024 up to रात के 11 बजे. The CISF Constable Fire application form correction window will be open from 10 to 12 October 2024. The PET PST dates will be notified later by the CISF. Application fee. The application fee to apply for the CISF Fireman Recruitment 2024 is 100 rupees for general, OBC, and EWS candidates. The candidates belonging to the SC, ST, and ESM categories are exempted from the payment of the application fee. The fee has to be paid in online mode. Vacancies, eligibility, age limit. The age limit to apply for the CISF Fireman Recruitment 2024 is 18-23 years. The cutoff date for the calculation of the age limit is the 30th of September 2024. The candidate should have been born between the 1st of October 2001 and 30.9.2006 both dates inclusive. The age relaxation will be given as per the rules. Note, the candidate should have passed the 12th class up to 30 September 2024. Vacancy Fire 11:30. Qualification 12th pass with science subject. Official website sisfrect, susf.gov.in. Selection process. The selection process of the CISF Fireman Recruitment 2024 includes the Physical Efficiency Test, Physical Standards Test PST document verification, written exam and medical examination. Physical Efficiency Test PET, Physical Standards Test PST, document verification, written exam, medical examination. Physical Efficiency Test PET. The candidates have to clear the 5 km running event in 24 minutes. Physical Standards Test PST. Height 170 cm. Chest 80-85 cm. The height and chest are relaxable as per rules for the hilly area candidates. How to apply? Follow these steps to apply for the CISF Fireman Recruitment 2024. 1. Visit the website sisfrect.susf.gov.in. 2. Click on the Constable Fire 2024 link. 3. Complete the registration process. 4. Log in and duly fill up the CISF Constable Fireman application form and upload the required documents. 5. Pay the application fee and submit the form.